The dilemma is familiar to high-achieving strategists. Infinite ideas, finite hours, and a calendar always close to revolt. Consistency falters not because of shortage in creativity, but because context switching quietly siphons away peak cognitive hours. In this lesson, the focus tightens on the science and discipline of batching, a productivity imperative for the modern content architect. Every component of your content empire, be it a wellness blog series or a prolific Amazon KDP output, suffers when startup friction goes unchallenged. Startup friction is not a metaphysical inconvenience. It is a quantifiable drag, the time and mental energy lost every time one must collect tools, summon focus, and re-enter the intricate demands of production. Left unchecked, it splinters your attention and dilutes your creative power. The theme day strategy obliterates startup friction by clustering all tasks of similar nature. Your 48-hour batching window is a sequence of dedicated sprints. Scene 1. The logic phase, hours 1 to 8. A strategist sits before ChatGPT, guided by the meticulously assembled pillar matrix. 30 days worth of headlines and captions spill forth, not as scattered bursts, but as an orchestrated surge of insight. The cognitive demand of ideation, intense but time-bound, is respected and contained. Scene 2. The visual phase, hours 9 to 16. The workspace mutates. Now, the strategist commands Midjourney's generative prowess, painstakingly rendering every graphic, avatar clip, and pin in one relentless session. The temptation to divert to another app is resisted. Momentum is a fragile ally. The goal: completion, not perfection. Scene 3. The distribution phase, hours 17 to 24. The final sprint. No additional ideation or design occurs here. The finished assets, text, visuals, and schedule cues are systematically uploaded to the scheduler prepared in Module 15, converting creativity into a deployable calendar. Throughout the assembly line, a few dogmatic rules reign. Templates are not conveniences, they are requirements. The blank canvas, with its seductive potential, is a productivity abyss. Prompt templates for ideation and Canva layouts for visuals ensure that the only variable is the message, not the method. Single tool focus prevents cognitive taxation from app hopping. When visual creation is underway, Midjourney is not abandoned until every asset is rendered. Likewise, HeyGen and Pinterest receive undistracted attention during their scheduled slots. The feedback loop closes the system, with data from last month dictating the ratio and nature of new content. Strategic adaptation replaces blind repetition, ensuring each batch is sharper than the last. The mathematics of productivity offers validation. By calculating the batching multiplier, the strategist can concretely measure the return on this investment of time. Typical daily workflow, performed 30 times, cannibalizes attention. When replaced by a disciplined 48-hour sprint, and $_ of 3.0 or more is often achieved, effectively recovering more than 60 hours of operational freedom each month. Yet, batching is less about tools or numbers and more about a philosophy.